Most of us do engineering not because we like it or we are passionate about it, but we do it because others are doing. अरे यार मैकेनिकल कर लेते हैं, दैट इज एन एवरग्रीन फील्ड. इलेक्ट्रिकल कर लेते हैं, जिसमें स्कोप बहुत ज़्यादा. रिजल्ट ही होता है that when we are studying 4 years in an engineering degree, we do not study much, we do not know really what we want to do, and then हम भीड़ के साथ जाते हैं. भीड़ से कोई कहता है यार मैं तो गेट की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ, यार मैं भी गेट कर लेता हूँ. कोई कह रहा है नहीं यार मैं लेट मी सी यार मैं अभी हायर स्टडीज़ के लिए जाऊँगा तो मैं हायर स्टडीज़ के लिए चला जाता हूँ. But we really do not know what we are really passionate about. But yes, one thing is for sure that we all want to become rich. So this is a basic difference between what अगर आप एक if you are a BTech electrical guy, electronics guy, should you go for GATE or should you go for becoming a electrical officer in merchant navy with a very very holistic and honest approach with to the best of my abilities. I'll be talking about both the parts. So the core difference is if you go to GATE here, I'm assuming you want to become rich. The best part is that you have to go for PSUs. यही मैं सबसे अच्छा मानता हूँ. और यू गोइंग फॉर एमटेक देन गोइंग फॉर हायर स्टडीज और यू वांट टू टीच इन कॉलेज, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट पार्ट. बट PSU इज वेयर द गवर्नमेंट जॉब स्टेबिलिटी रिसर्च लाइज, बट द कॉम्पिटिशन इज हाई. लैक्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट आर सिटिंग एंड द कॉम्पिटिशन इज वेरी हाई. ऑन द अदर हैंड अगर मैं मर्चेंट नेवी की बात करूँ तो यार इमीडिएट सैलरीज ऑन अ वेरी गुड साइड दैट आई कैन शेयर. एडवेंचर है, द टैक्स फ्री इनकम इज देयर, सो वट एवर यू अर्न यू सेल फॉर 6 months, वट एवर यू गेट दैट्स अ टैक्स फ्री इनकम. तो भी मैं आगे कैलकुलेशन आपको बता दूंगा. सी बेस्ड ऑपरेशन, बट द ओनली चैलेंज इज दैट आई विल शेयर लेटर. तो पहले एक थोड़ा बेसिक्स में चले जाते हैं. सो आउट हियर क्राइटेरिया इज डिग्री, बीटेक एनी स्ट्रीम यू कैन गो फॉर गेट एग्जाम. यहाँ पर अगर यू वांट टू बिकम इलेक्ट्रिकल ऑफिसर मर्चेंट नेवी देन इलेक्ट्रिकल और EC और ट्रिपल और इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन और एनी डिग्री इक्विवेलेंट टू दैट इज रिक्वायरमेंट. एज नो लिमिट यूजुअली, यहाँ पर मैक्सिमम 28 to 35 ईयर्स. मेडिकल में बेसिक फिटनेस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. यहाँ पर इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू शुड नॉट बी कलर ब्लाइंड एंड DG अप्रूव्ड डॉक्टर्स के थ्रू आपका मेडिकल होना चाहिए. बोथ आई शुड बी 6/12 और वन आई कैन बी 6/9, द वर्स्ट आई कैन बी 6/18. दिस इज व्हाट द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द आई साइट इज. स्पॉन्सरशिप नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. सो आप गेट की तैयारी करते हैं, देन यू स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग वेरी हार्ड एंड इफ यू गेट सिलेक्टेड, say you are in the top 1 percentile and you get selected, fine, you get a job. Out here in ETO, say you start working, अभी competition बहुत कम है in ETO, and the simple reason is because people are not ready to join merchant navy, and the simple reason is because लोगों को ज़्यादा पता नहीं है. All they know is myths. जिंदगी भर मर्चेंट नेवी में रहोगे, यू विल बी सेलिंग ऑल योर लाइफ, यू विल बी सेलिंग अवे फ्रॉम योर फैमिली. It is not important. A lot of ETOs, when they get certain experience, once they get married, they get a lot of good shore job opportunities as well, where you might get even paid much more what you'll get in PSUs as well. I'm telling you, it's a true story, guys. And who is telling you कि यार आपको जिंदगी भर सेलिंग करनी है या 6 months आपको 6 months on 6 months off करना है. Say if you are earning damn good, you can sell for 3 months. 9 months घर पे रहो, 3 months में 1 month का आप टैक्स पे कर दो. स्टिल विद द 2 months सैलरी यू कैन सर्वाइव वेरी वेल. आई कैन एक्सप्लेन लेटर, बट एनीवेज अभी बताता हूँ. अकेडमिक ग्राइंड में आई कैन कंप्लीटली से कि गेट इज much more difficult than clearing the ETO exam, but life of an electrical officer on board ship is much more difficult than what a gate guy would have. This is what I believe. No judgments pass, because honestly मैं ये जरूर मानता हूँ कि यार there is no 9 to 5 law of life out here anywhere. मुझे पता है कि people are screwing, जहाँ पर भी सैलरी ज़्यादा है, wherever people are paying more, there are no weekends, people are grinding 9 to 5, 9 to 8, and with AI coming in, a lot of jobs are at stake all the time. Fortunately for merchant navy, that is not the case. Yes, automation might come in, it is coming in, but electrical people will be in job all the time because it is the automation that is coming in. So you guys will be out there. Second thing is, many people say कि यार I want to explain कि यार you stay or there only in the weekends, 4 to 6 months के लिए घर पे रहते हो. See guys, what happens is, say as an ET officer your salary is $5,000 a month, okay, which makes it today how much? 4,50,000 rupees. So what happens is, suppose you do a 6 months contract, so it becomes 27 lakhs per annum. But yeah, 27 lakhs per month अगर पे 6 months किया, that becomes, you become a NRE. So that means this 27 lakhs per month is your tax free income. वही अगर आपको श्योर जॉब पे इतनी इनकम चाहिए, सो अगर आपकी सैलरी 40 लाख रुपीज पर annum का पैकेज है, से 30% टैक्स दिया, 0.7 से मल्टीप्लाई करा, so then it will come to 20 lakhs, 8 lakhs per annum. So if you have a sure job opportunity of 40 lakhs ka package per annum, then only it's a great opportunity. And in a PSU, coming to a 40 lakh per annum package will take a lots of time. But out here as an ETO, yeah, within a span of 4 years, 5 years, you will be at that package minimum that I'm saying. The only challenge is you will be staying away from family a lot of time. But out here all I want to say is कि अगर आपको पैसे ज़्यादा प्यार नहीं है, go do 4 months contract, 1 month का सैलरी दे दो टैक्स में, 3 months में still you will do very good and you will spending a lot of time at home, or you can go for a lot of good sure opportunities on land. आज की डेट में there are a lot of good opportunities even in नोएडा, गुड़गांव, मुंबई, कोलकाता, चेन्नई, ये सब जगह पे ETO skill they are getting a lot of good opportunities. Yes, when you are working there are no weekends. You are lone warrior on board ship. Life is not easy. जब आपको $45 पर मंथ मिल रहे हैं, 4-4.5 लाख सैलरी मिल रही है, वहां पर बहुत मेहनत है. Whether temperature is -20 degree centigrade or temperature is 45 degree centigrade, 50 degree centigrade, you have to work. Having said that, starting in a PSUs I'm not very sure, but yes 6 lakhs per annum के आसपास रहता है. यहाँ पर it will be say again 3 to 6 lakhs per annum, but यहाँ पर ना growth is very fast. दी चैलेंज आउट है. एक और मैं आपको चीज समझाना चाहूंगा यहाँ पे कि मर्चेंट नेवी में सी व्हाट हैपेंस इज एज एन ईटीओ, मे बी एज अ ट्रेनी ईटीओ गेटिंग $7 a month, $700, which makes it around 63,000 rupees. But within 1 year you clear your exams, you become a ETO, your salary will become $3,000. Next contract, second contract, $3,500. Third, 4,000. Fifth, 4,500. But now if you want to increase your salary, you have to change the type of ship. On a bulk carrier, dry ship, the salary will be $4,000 to $5,000 per month maximum. But similarly on a tanker it can go up to $6,000 a month. If you go on a LNG carrier it can go up to $10,000 $12,000 per month as well. You go on cruise ships, there you get promotions also and your salary can go up to $15,000 a month as well. So ये मैं कुछ stats I'm just sharing with you guys, which is very very important. Along with that a tax free life which you also had to know. But the challenge is once you become a ETO on a, say you do not want to change the ship, you want to stay in that same ship, the same kind of ship, you don't want improvements happening in your life or you don't want that risk to happen, then एक stage के बाद your salary remains constant. Then the only thing that is taking up is कि भैया डॉलर का रेट बढ़ रहा है तभी हो रहा, अदरवाइज नहीं होगा. कॉपी. फिर यहाँ पर अगेन PSUs के अंदर द ग्रोथ इज से 12 to 30 lakhs per annum सीनियर, जो these are the stats that have been shared with me. But once again said I might be slightly wrong out here, but if you compare the competition getting out here and starting with this salary and getting this is much more often and much more probability than this thing, that I am very much sure about. Because just want to say, because out here to reach at a senior level, getting a good rank requires ki how good you are at managing people, your seniors, your juniors, bureaucracy किस तरह से है. But out here it's a seat time that matters. Change your company, चीज़ें आगे बढ़ जाती हैं. So this is what I want to say about merchant navy. Merchant navy, the good part is that there are so many myths that people are not ready to join. I just got a message from my ETO yesterday. सर मेरे पापा से बात कर लो, ही सेइंग दैट आप मर्चेंट नेवी मत ज्वाइन करो. तो यार ये दिस इज योर जर्नी, बट आई कैन शेयर द एग्जैक्ट स्टैट्स विद यू विच इज फॉर यू. अगर आपको स्टेबिलिटी कंफर्टेबल लाइफ चाहिए, दो कंफर्ट की डेफिनेशन आई रियली डू नॉट नो, बट स्टिल आई वुड से कि मर्चेंट नेवी की लाइफ में हार्ड वर्क बहुत है भाई, बहुत ज़्यादा. यू वॉन्ट टू स्टे विद फैमिली, येस अगेन, बट देर इज अ कंजक्चर दैट आई वॉन्ट टू एड इज कि यार वॉट डज स्टेइंग विद फैमिली मीन्स. टुडे आई एम a businessman, I every day go and sleep at home, but still that quality time is missing. दिमाग में सारा टाइम धंधा और काम रहता है. But out here when you come back from home after 6 months, there is nobody to disturb. You can spend all your time with family, friends, quality time. ये एक चीज़ है. यहाँ पर deep technical research है और यहाँ पर यार this is hardcore मेहनत. There is no 9 to 5 when you are working. It can be 24 hours, 18 hours, it can be 14 hours, it can be 36 hours at a stretch as well, and you can't say no because एक $1 million ship को सिर्फ 22-30 people चला रहे हैं, 25 people चला रहे हैं. Guys, if you are interested in joining the ETO course, you want to know more, download this Merchant Navy Start app, go to the ETO course, go to the information center, free guidance, you get all the information out there, whether you are eligible or not, when are the latest updates coming, everything. This app gets upgraded and updated every single time. Okay, if you want to prepare, you can buy this ETO Aspirant Excellence package from Merchant Navy Decoded platform. Link is in the description box. You can start studying. Hundreds of students in the last 2 or 3 years have got selected through this ETO Aspirant Excellence package. Invest on the free trial videos, check those videos and then buy the package. This is all I can say. Last but not the least, I believe there should have been an offline coaching, and maybe in future, maybe 1 or 2 years later, we might start at SMED Marine Academy, but we would charge premium, minimum 50,000 or 60,000 rupees. But abhi the only future is ETO Aspirant Excellence Package. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.